Assalamualaikum grade 3 students. This is your unit 1 and the unit 1 name is geography, and here are some terms. I will explain these terms for you. The first one is solar system and the second one space. So this is a solar system. You can see here is one sun. You can see sun, a big ball of sun, and there are 8 planets, and these are planets around this sun. And you can see this one is earth. This is our earth, and the blue area you can see this is the water, and the green area this is covered by land. So sun is a huge ball of hot gases. Sun is a very bright star and it is huge ball of very hot gases, and it gives us heat and light. It is much bigger than the earth and the other planets, and you can see the size of the other planets and the sun. And this sun and these all planets are in the space. Space is the vast darkness beyond the earth and the sky. There is no light and air in the space. The third term is atmosphere. And what is an atmosphere? This is our earth, and you can see the atmosphere, the black lines that I have drawn on the board. The earth is a planet and it is surrounded by the atmosphere. So atmosphere is made of layers of air that keeps all living things alive. Atmosphere is a big layer of air. This earth is not fixed. Actually, it moves around the sun. It moves around the sun in the orbit, and these are the orbits, the paths on where the planets and our earth is also a planet. Our planets move in these paths. So these paths, the white one, these paths are called orbits. As earth moves around the sun in the orbit, and it spins around its axis also. It spins on its axis in an anti-clockwise direction. The fourth term is spins. Spins mean round. An anti-clockwise direction, the direction that is opposite of the clocks of the needles of the clock of a clock. So you can see in this picture, in this diagram, the sun, and this is earth, and earth is moving around the sun, and it is also moves around its axis. And here is the moon, and moon is taking round around the earth. And you can see the sizes of earth and moon and the sun. I have explained you all this topic and all the terms that are in this topic. The first topic is that is the earth in the space. So now I am going to read this all text for you. The earth in space. The earth, the sun and the moon are all parts of the solar system. The solar system is made up of sun and 8 planets that move around it in space. The earth is a planet. It is surrounded by atmosphere, which is made of layers of air that keeps all living things alive. Space is the vast darkness beyond the earth and the sky. There is no light or air in the space, but there are millions of stars and planets millions of kilometers away from Earth. We can see the stars at night, but we see the sun during the day. Never look directly at the sun. It can damage your eyes. The sun is a very bright star. It is a huge ball of very hot gases and it gives us heat and light. It is much bigger than the earth and other planets. The earth is not fixed in one place. It spins in an anti-clockwise direction. It completes one round in 24 hours. The earth also moves around the sun, and it takes a year for the earth to move around the sun. The second topic is the moon. The moon is closer to the earth. It is smaller than the earth and it is solid body. It has no heat and light of its own. Its light is a reflection of the sun's light. Moon takes its lights from the sun as a reflection, and as a reflection it looks like shine. The moon is called a natural satellite. Satellites is a new term for you. I didn't write this on the board. Satellite is a body that round the earth. So moon is a natural satellite because it goes round the earth. The earth and moon both move round the sun. So in the first lesson you have to study this topic, the earth in the space, and the second, the moon. The page number 2 and 3 till here. You have to study and you have to learn the terms and the text that is on the page of the 2 and 3. So this is your work for the first lesson. So you have to learn all these page.